This is a video of 1625 Southeast 10th Avenue in Fort Lauderdale. This is the view from the balcony. Wanted to start off there. That's the port. So you see the beautiful cruise ships. Look at this beautiful view. All the beach, Fort Lauderdale. There's downtown Fort Lauderdale. Very nice view on your balcony. This is 1625 Southeast 10th Avenue, number 902. So we'll go ahead and walk inside from the balcony. Okay, so you have a nice open kitchen with dining room. Come around the kitchen here. Nice beautiful cabinets. Nice and open. Very large living space. Again, it's a beautiful view of downtown Fort Lauderdale. This is an incredible corner unit. Really nice. Let's take a look at it from the window and then turn back. See if we can get an idea of the space. Okay, now we're going to head towards the bedrooms. This is the hallway entrance, by the way. This is bathroom. The hall, second bathroom. It's in good shape, it's clean. Going to the first bedroom here. Really large, nice bedrooms. Very spacious. Easily fit a king in here. No problem. Plenty of closet space. View out the window here. Again, downtown Fort Lauderdale. No leaks. Everything is good. Get you a nice idea of the space. Easy, plenty of wall space. Put dressers, TV, king size bed, no problem. Plenty of closet space all over. Now we have the master, which is very large. It's got 4 closets, one on each side here. Again, nice view. Beautiful South Florida day. Give you an idea of the space, very big. Go in. Going into the walk-in closet. Here's a little small closet here. Walk-in closet. Bathroom. The light is actually off in the bathroom. I have to change the bulb. So I have my flash on. That's why it's a little grainy. But you get the idea. It's in great condition. Double shower. Seems to be in great shape. Great, really large bedroom. Okay, so get another Little turn, get this idea of the bedroom. So this is 1625 Southeast 10th Avenue in Fort Lauderdale, Unit 902. Please call List Realty, Ben Garcia, 954-868-5233.